Good morning from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Doing a hike today. It's called the Goodwin Lake Trail, and it's just unbelievable so far. Take a look. What you see right there is the Grand Tetons, and the Grand Teton herself right there, the big one. Not sure if you can pick that up or not. 9.5 miles. We just decided to just go right from camp, and it's different. It's wooded and shaded. We were in Rawlins, Wyoming, and I went for a run, and I saw one mountain lion, 3 snakes, and some angry cows. Some of the bulls didn't enjoy me going by. I had to get a little bit angry at them. They started huffing and started coming towards me, like 2 of them together. And I didn't quite know what to do, so I charged them and made lots of noise, and that scared the bejesus out of them. And they went away, but later, I wanted to cross the road because I saw more cows, and I didn't want to be close to them. So when I crossed the road, when I was crossing the road, one car every 10 minutes. I looked behind me, and I'll be damned if there wasn't a mountain lion running away from me. Crossing the road itself. Got my pepper spray, my bear spray with me. First time I've packed it. It's right there. Cause this is different. This is definitely different. It's got my senses up. I'm worried about Brady too. We'll see. Hopefully he'll. It's always the issue is always a mother bear with cubs, but I'm ready to use it if need be. It's all climbing, and up at the top there'll be a lake, Goodwin Lake. It's about 4 miles up, 3.5, 4 miles up. It's 2,000 feet elevation, and 2,000 feet climb, elevation change, and so we'll see. It's a beautiful day here in Jackson. I've had some visitors. My friend, I was with her in Taos for 15 days. Didn't film. Before that, I had another friend in the Wedge Overlook. Don't worry though, guys. That's on that we'll get there. Again, next year we'll get there. It's the most beautiful place so far on this adventure. If I had to choose one, that would be it. Come here. And then we went to Boulder, and didn't film there either. So it's been about a month since I filmed. Definitely lost my groove, no doubt about it. I hope to get it back. Got about 20 days left in this area in Wyoming before we head back east. Got a family commitment in late July, and then I'm traveling overseas to Portugal. For a month, from September to October. Then it's the holidays, and then we start round 2 in January. I'm gonna wait to let you know some of the exciting news until I get home about where we're headed in January. Some very exciting news, and something I've committed to. We're at, I think this is about 8,000 feet. On up we go. It's, I was just thinking, did some hiking with friends. What a difference it is. It's just simply, it's not comparable. It's a totally different experience hiking alone. It's your senses are so elevated, and it's so quiet. All you hear is the creaking of the trees and the birds. Not too far. Come here. It's my kind of trail though. Rough. And just, you know, rugged, unmarked. Starting to think about going home. But we're not done yet. About 15 days to go before we head east. It's been absolutely amazing. So much so, I've committed another year next year to this. Completely different though. All I'm gonna say, a little hint, little clue, there's gonna be a lot more water, especially at the beginning. I'm so excited about it. You know, it's nice to have Brady on this hike because he can smell other animals maybe, and maybe give me a warning. But it's also a little bit worrisome for me if he charges like a bear or bear cubs and mama's around. It won't be, I'm not looking forward to that. Come on, buddy, this way. Stay on the trail. Come here. Come here, Brady. Oh man. I did see my first moose in Boulder, of all places. It was actually Nederland, Nederland, just hanging out in the middle of the small little lake. Bunch of people were stopped on the road, and we were like, what the heck's going on? And it was a black moose, big old moose. far away, but still looked huge. Can't imagine what they look like up close. We're gonna go up to almost 11,000 feet. 10,500, something like that. I'll let you know when I get there. But slow, steady climb. This is what hiking, this is textbook hiking right here. Definitely liking the green. Change of pace from the desert last 3 months. Gotta be honest though, guys, I prefer it. I prefer the desert. I mean, I thought I did, you know, now I know I do. I don't know what this is. It's either deer or bear, I'm not sure, but boy, it is everywhere. So check this out, coming up on a little meadow here. This is probably where we'll see game, if we see any. I've never seen such vastness. No houses, no man-made infrastructure of any kind, not even a telephone pole or a light pole. Just the road for like 200 miles. An occasional little town that like population 235. I think I passed a town called Eden. I mean, you blink and you're gone, you know, you're past it, but it's a little sign. It said 235 people. Of course, there's a church. Loved it. Wyoming is known for its low population density. In fact, I believe it's the least populated state in the country. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure. Either that or the lowest density population, something like that. It's amazing that there's a lake up here. I mean, it's up. I don't know if you can tell how vertical that is. And down. And we're just kind of climbing slowly. 9,480 feet. Might be some snow trekking. I was not prepared for this. Wow. Hope I don't freaking fall in. It's definitely melting. Whoa. Oh yeah. Yep, we're going in. Definitely going in. Oh yeah, nice cold feet now. I haven't seen a soul this whole hike, by the way. I see some footsteps here, but these aren't today, I don't think. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Oh boy. Oh wow. Okie dokie. Oh man. I really don't even see the trail. Nothing but snow. Okay. Let's see how we do this. It's when you fall unexpectedly. Kind of startles you a little bit. Followed by very cold socks. Oh yeah. Tennis shoes. I hike in tennis shoes. I prefer it. They're like trail running shoes. I run in these too. Not ideal for this though. Oh wow. No man. No. Oh. Oh yeah. This way, buddy. Trail's this way. one-hander again with the GoPro. I hear water. I hear a stream. Oh yeah. Slow going, guys. Very slow going through this stuff. Turn the camera off for a bit while we're at the lake, and it's frozen. So I don't want Brady to play on it for obvious reasons. It's iced over, and you know, I don't want him to, he doesn't really know what that's like. So we've decided to stay away from the lake. Just be cautious. Beautiful though. Stunning. Such a contrast. It's about maybe 75 degrees. And we're gonna make our way back to the trail.